March 18th, 2023. I'm visiting a friend at a hospital, and LifeFlight landed a little bit ago. We're going to watch it take off from St. Margaret's Hospital in Fox Chapel. Out of respect, we didn't get a video of them putting the person in. That's disrespectful, but just watching this helicopter LifeFlight take off from St. Margaret's Hospital in Fox Chapel. And here we go. I used to skydive out of planes a lot, but I've never been in a helicopter. I'm looking to get in one, but not through LifeFlight. I'd like to do it willingly. It's on the helipad. Taking a little longer than I thought. Sorry guys, I thought they would have just fired it up and took off. Yeah, interesting. I thought they would have taken off faster. Nope. You can hear the motor firing up harder, so getting ready to take off. There we go. Look at that. Looks like it's even posing for us. That was kind of cool.